Now go.
See, there's no kitchen. Okay.
I hope the little guy doesn't get discouraged something. He doesn't quite know how difficult this will be. It may take him years to gain my level of experience. It doesn't just happen overnight. Huh?
Woohoo! It's flying!
Wow.
Thanks, mister. You sure know your kites.
That's how I made it.
All right, ready?
Let's
Okay.
see the video.
Okay, ready? You're operating the camera. Mom will do the folding.
Chapter 7. Never give up.
Okay.
The flying ace knew this would be the last chance to save the love of his life.
Wait. No, wait.
Okay. Okay. Let me get the lights so you can see. Okay, pause it. This paper must be uneven. Okay.
Push play.
Yeah.
Pause the video now. Now I do. Push play, then everybody to continue.
Okay. Wait. Oh, was I supposed to move it further down? Oh, okay. Hold on. Okay. Okay.
Pause the video.
Okay.
Just like that boat. You see it?
Oh, wait, hold on. Reverse it a little bit. Okay. I'm doing this part. Ah, that's
Okay,
better than the ones I
And the
made.
airplane's complete.
Whoa, awesome.